The finals of the second edition of the St. Mary's International College Cup in Modekatiko were marked by strong messages of discipline, teamwork and fair play as legendary Cameroonian football icon Rigobert Song Bahanak graced the events.
Emblematic, Captain Fantastic.
He applauded the school administration for its commitment to promoting sportsmanship and holistic education. The highly attended finals took place on Friday 15, 2026 at the school's synthetic football turf. Two school teams, Ambitious Titans and Fearless Falcons, battled for the trophy. After a thrilling encounter, the Fearless Falcons edged past the Ambitious Titans with a narrow 5-4 victory. Parents, guardians and invited guests turned out in large numbers to witness the competition, including Member of Parliament Honorable Ngala Gerald. The tournament was held under the auspices of the school's founder, Atang Paul, and also featured handball and basketball matches. Adding a professional touch to the event, live commentaries were handled by students of St. Mary's International College, giving them practical exposure to media skills.
And the Proprietor kicks his first ball, and the crowd is celebrating for him as the ball reaches back to the center.
Addressing the students after the matches, Song encouraged the young athletes to pursue their dreams while remaining committed to their education. He stressed that football teaches fair play, teamwork and perseverance, values that extend beyond the pitch. He also praised the founder for investing in modern sport infrastructure to support youth development. Honorable Ngala Gerald, for his part, described the initiative as a step in the right direction.
Sometimes we get children engaged in sport. Some might succeed professionally, some might not succeed professionally, but they keep doing the sport but while studying. So it is good that somebody who is studying in school gets to have some sport activities that keeps the mind working.
Closing the event, the founder, Atang Paul, expressed satisfaction with the tournament's success.
We realized that sports is actually a motivating factor. The students want to play sport, so they want to behave well and study well also. It's only those who perform well academically and morally took part in the competition.
He also noted that the discipline learned through sports will positively shape the future of every child.